Welcome to crossblogxtv. On our channel, you know how we do it. We bring you celebrity gossips, relationship, celebrity news, discussions, lifestyle, entertainment news updates. If you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, please. And if you like our video as well, please don't forget to like and share, and always check your notification button down below here and drop your comment as well. I want to know if I'm engaging with you. Thank you. Hello, hi everyone, welcome to crossblogxtv. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please drop your comment down below. Today I'll be talking about from our source. We had things have taken different dimension in the palace. So I'll be talking about who Miriam Anako is. We all know Miriam Anako is our newest bride to Ooni Of Ife. Although he hasn't been officially put out there, but we know from our source. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Who is Miriam Anako? Miriam Anako, she's a beautiful, smart, intelligent, and hardworking woman. She's the 8th of her siblings, and she has 7 elder siblings. Miriam is in her mid-30s, and she's the administrative manager of Nestor Oil Limited. Her immediate elder sister Medinat Anako is a lawyer and a businesswoman, and also a special advisor on intergovernmental affairs to Kogi State's diaspora. Okay, and even one of her sisters again is her name is Abdul Ibrahim. She's the special advisor to the Speaker of National Assembly, retired Honorable Femi Gbajamila. Anakos are prominent Igbira people from Kogi who settled in Olori, Kwara State, with their family home in Adeyeye Estate. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And Anako mother is a retired police officer. So now let's go back to the palace. We heard from our source that now Miriam has tried to put everybody in their places. We know that when Naomi was in the palace, because she's young, she's naive, then they were treating her anyhow, launch Miriam, because she was a young, respectful lady. Now Queen Naomi, sorry. But now Miriam is in her mid-30s, so obviously Otirosa, and for someone to be an administrative manager for oil company, so you should know that she's a very smart and intelligent lady. So now she got to the palace trying to put everybody in their place. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop a comment down below. She has tried to put everybody in their place, and even from our source, we heard that Timeri and Bambo, everybody man Japani, everybody keep to that. That is the difference between Miriam and Naomi. Naomi is very soft. Miriam, from her picture, you can see that Oje Obrin Kotoja nonsense. Yes. Okay, the likes of the 3 sisters of Ooni Of Ife, we can see that Miriam can easily deal with them. Why? Because Miriam's mother is an ex-police officer. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Drop a comment down below. Her sister is an advisor to National Assembly. Family one orishirishi title, and they are well educated, they are rich, so they cannot mess with them. Nobody can mess with them. And Miriam is overripe for marriage. Otiwa overripe for marriage, so she knows what she wants and what she does not want. Now one of the Oba's wife, Lola, we all know then that she was mocking Naomi, that Naomi kúrò palace ni. She mocked that lady, and I love Queen Naomi. She never for one day came out to call anybody out. So kale mọ̀ pé ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run gbénu, and ọmọ ẹni tó kàn lére tó dẹ̀ gbẹ̀kọ́ ni. She never for once came out to say any negative thing about anybody. So now I always believe in karma. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. What do you think about Kama? Kama is very strong. Now, exactly what Lola said, Olori Lola said about Naomi, which didn't eventually happen, has happened to Lola now. She has been sent to pack out of the palace. Yes. She was saying that wọ́n sọ pé Naomi kò kúrò ní palace, wọ́n gbé ẹsẹ̀ Naomi kúrò ní palace, of which that never happened. We all knew that Naomi left, Queen Naomi left the palace willingly on the 23rd of December. And she came to her social media to put that there that, look, I'm no longer in the palace. We all know the story, yeah. But now, this same Olori went behind saying all sort of rubbish about Queen Naomi. Sharing by me, Odaki Omadake, Adake Jalolong. Sometimes when you keep quiet, God fight for you. Yeah, I learned a lesson on this our news. Sometimes you don't really need to reply people. You don't need to talk back at them. You don't need to call them out. Just leave them. Let Kama deal with them. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Drop your comment down below. What do you think about Kama? Should we always talk back at people when they wrong us, or should we just leave them in the hands of death of God? Yeah. So now Lola has been sent out of the palace. You know, Kama got her. She has been sent out of the palace. Ooni Of Ife is just focusing on his wife, his new bride, Miriam Anako. So he's focused. And we also heard that people have been mocking Miriam that, your marriage will not last with Ooni Of Ife. She said she has come full force, that her own marriage will last. Yeah, I predict that the marriage might last, maybe because she's intelligent, she's smart, she's rich, she has all the ways to deal with all those three sisters, Yelua or Yaloja. They are not going to try that with her. Yes, they are not going to try that with her. Somebody that her mother is an ex-police officer. And the more oríṣiríṣi, they are prominent. Anakos are prominent. So I won't go only wo. And you come treat someone anyhow. They won't take that from the olori, from the Ooni Of Ife sisters. So I plead Ooni Of Ife sisters, if you don't want to be embarrassed, stay off Miriam Anako, leave her alone. And people are now saying that, they regret them chasing out they regret maltreating Queen Naomi Shilekonla when she was in the palace. That, how are they going to do this? Because Miriam doesn't smile. From her soul, she doesn't smile. She's always on her straight face. You can even see, you can tell in her pictures. But with picture of Miriam, you can see that she's a very strict. She looks very strict. Yeah, she's a strict woman. Tionigba rubbish. You know, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. She will not take rubbish. And I'm sure that Miriam will be able to handle Ooni Of Ife. Yes, Miriam will be able to handle Ooni Of Ife. And we also heard that Ashley is a girlfriend to Ooni Of Ife. Ooni is not going to marry Ashley. So now, all those ones that she's parading up and down, it has reduced now. Miriam ti wálé, ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ ẹ̀ ní Miriam. Everybody put to everybody see place what you have tried with people in the past, the olori in the past, you are not going to try those things with me. She has made it clear. So now everybody sa elta skelta ni be ni pe wa, let me mind my business. I don't want this woman's trouble. And people now are missing my sweet olori Shilekonla Naomi. People are missing her now. That, wow, what a soft, sweet lady. Maybe people drove her out. So why that she was so bad and see? And lele jade now, ó dẹ̀ ti bọ́ta, ẹ ti ní lára, ó ti bọ́ta. So now wọ́n ti gbé ẹni tó máa wojú iná yín wá, tó máa gbé iná wojú yín wá. So you people should take it like that, please. No lamenting, please take it like that. You people should hold your peace and just take it like that. Yes, now Miriam Anako has come to deal with each and every one. And we even heard that all those olori jumping up and down, all those olori that people don't know that in the palace, she has put everybody in their place, and they know that, look, I am the boss. Yes. But in terms of Naomi, you could even see in this picture, Naomi was still sitting beside her husband, Ashley was sitting there in Miriam's regime. It's not going to be so. All those iyalaje, iyaloja, it's not going to be so. She said she's not taking trash for anybody. That she came well prepared, you know. So now we miss Queen Naomi, and we've been begging the king is trying to make amendments. Like, okay, so if Queen Naomi comes back to the palace, at least Queen Naomi is a soft queen. Miriam will be the harsh one or the strict one, so she can deal with the people trying to make the palace unhappy for people. Oh my try láti settle gbogbo ẹ̀. She won't take nonsense. She won't take rubbish from anyone. Please drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. What do you think about this? What do you think about this Miriam Anako? Is she going to last in the palace? One, drop your comment down below. I want to know your own take on it. And two, is Miriam Anako going to help us deal with those three Oni sisters? Yeah. And Olo and Iyalaje and Iyaloja, we should deal with them. And three, will Miriam will they allow her rest in that palace? Please drop your comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your positive comments, your negative comment. Thank you so much. Thank you. From Crossblogxtv, we say thank you very much. Stay tuned and God bless.